The sound of a heart, a dropped call, or worse, a phone falling, echoing when it hits the floor, reverberating from the vert of a vertebrae, a certain hurt that's skirting the skin of halls, thin as walls, vaulting awful arguments of neighbors, nature to break neck when avoiding the noises, choices, searching tranquility of koi fish, boisterous is the beat to a defeated chest. Tears squeeze room in this sea league depth, blinded eyes by a waterfall for all the flaws. Bleeding, gauzes feeble to a much needed scar. In an uneasy stench, the scent of regret is steaming, seething, screeching to stress, whether syllable or silhouette. Feeling left, that isn't right. Imagine a throat so sore from breathing, like, what's the use? What to do if oxygen is impossible, noxious, toxic, knotted, knocking epiglottis, where apologies are sorry sonnet. Sorrow sowing pockets for apathetic venting. Why the lies, diatribes, die inside, aside from a pathetic attempt at an illogical reverse psychology, lousy, loudly dismissing. Mission statement made of pavement, missing the point of listening, listing anything you can gather, turn it to matter, as if the person doesn't matter. Matter at the fact we can't see eye to eye, matter to madness, dragging conversation, lacking comprehension, hence the confrontation, senseless, less compensation for emotions broken like cases, breaking, misshapen, heart sound like cracked screens and water seeping into batteries, badly damaged, past the packing of rice overnight, gradually bandaged, unraveling, hopeless night, no Wi-Fi where the home is, like signals vanished. Visible panic to frozen iris, probing, notice feelings weren't loading like